Imagine this: you're sitting at home, scrolling through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, watching videos that get millions of views. Now, what if I told you that those videos, yes, those short, engaging clips could be your ticket to making serious money online? And the best part? You don't need expensive software or years of experience. All you need is CapCut, a completely free editing tool that's exploding in popularity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn CapCut into a money-making machine. Whether you want to freelance, sell templates, or even build a faceless YouTube channel, I'll break it all down step by step. By the end, you'll have multiple strategies to start making money today. Let's dive in. 1. The CapCut opportunity. Why this free tool can make you money. CapCut is no longer just a basic editing tool. It has become a powerhouse for creating high-quality videos that perform well on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Unlike complex software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, CapCut is user-friendly, free, and packed with features that allow you to create professional-grade videos with ease. The demand for engaging, short-form content has never been higher. Businesses, influencers, and content creators are constantly searching for video editors who can produce scroll-stopping clips. This means that knowing how to use CapCut effectively can turn into a highly profitable skill. Whether you want to edit for others, sell your own content, or leverage social media for passive income, CapCut gives you a way to make money with minimal investment. But how exactly do you turn this skill into cash? Let's explore. 2. Freelance video editing. How to get paid editing with CapCut. Freelance video editing is one of the fastest ways to start making money with CapCut. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are filled with clients looking for editors who can create dynamic short-form content for social media. To get started, build a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you don't have clients yet, create sample edits using trending CapCut templates and effects. Offer services like video trimming, adding transitions, text animations, and viral sound syncs, things that make videos pop. Pricing your services is key. Beginners can charge anywhere from $10 to $50 per video, but as you gain experience and credibility, you can scale up to $100 or more per project. The best part? Many content creators need bulk editing, meaning you can land ongoing clients who pay you weekly or monthly. One way to stand out is by offering niche services. For example, gaming clips, motivational edits, and e-commerce product videos are all in high demand. Once you establish yourself, word of mouth and positive reviews will skyrocket your business. 3. Selling viral short-form content packages. Instead of waiting for clients to come to you, why not package and sell ready-made viral videos? Many influencers and brands don't have time to create engaging content, and they're willing to pay for high-quality, done-for-you videos. CapCut has built-in templates that allow you to create trending edits in minutes. By customizing these with unique text overlays, effects, and branding, you can sell them as pre-made video bundles. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Selfie allow you to list and sell digital products, making this a great passive income stream. To make your offer irresistible, create themed video packs like 10 viral TikTok Reels for fitness coaches, or 5 high-impact Instagram ads for small businesses. Bundle pricing, $30, $100 per pack, can generate consistent income without trading time for money. 4. Affiliate marketing. Make money without editing for others. What if you could make money without even editing videos yourself? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting CapCut-related products. This could be CapCut presets, sound packs, or even premium editing courses. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Envato, Motion Array, or even Amazon, if they offer CapCut-friendly gear. Create short videos showcasing the products and post them on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. When someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key is authenticity. Don't just sell. Show how these tools enhance video creation. This strategy can generate passive income as your content reaches more viewers over time. 5. Creating and selling CapCut templates. CapCut templates are a goldmine. Many users want stylish, trendy edits but lack the skills or time to make them from scratch. That's where you come in. By designing your own custom templates and selling them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even through a personal website, you can tap into a massive market. Popular categories include aesthetic TikTok edits, cinematic transitions, and corporate promo templates. 6. Building a YouTube automation channel with CapCut. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. With CapCut, you can create videos that get monetized without ever showing your face. Pick a niche like motivational content, finance, or tech reviews, and use stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and CapCut animations to create high-quality videos. 7. Teaching CapCut. Create a course or membership. People are willing to pay to learn CapCut. If you've mastered it, why not create a digital course? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to monetize your knowledge by teaching others how to edit like a pro. 8. Monetizing TikTok and Instagram with CapCut edits. By creating viral CapCut edits, you can build a personal brand and monetize your account through sponsorships and brand deals. Companies pay influencers to feature their products in high-engagement videos. 9. Dropshipping digital video assets for CapCut users. Another passive income stream? Selling digital assets like LUTs, overlays, and sound effects. Since video creators constantly need fresh elements, a simple online store can generate revenue 24/7. Every skill you learn today puts you ahead of 99% of people who are just scrolling aimlessly. The world is shifting towards video content, and those who master tools like CapCut will dominate. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, test things out, and refine your skills. Remember, it's not about talent, it's about consistency. The sooner you take action, the sooner you start seeing results. I've just given you multiple ways to turn CapCut into a cash machine. Now, it's your turn to take action. Check out the description and pinned comment for extra resources to help you get started. And since you made it this far, YouTube knows exactly what you need to see next. Click on the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.